Hello everyone and welcome to Manika America. I'm excited to take you to an amazing Iftar event held last week at the Stunning Clove restaurant in Sterling, Virginia. Trust me, this was one of the most memorable events organized by the Pakistani community. A night full of unity, laughter and incredible connections. I can't wait to share all highlights with you, but before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Manika America and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. So let's go and let's check it out. So friends, the energy at this event was absolutely electric. It was a true celebration of community, culture and collaboration. We had an incredible mix of people from business leaders and community members to special guests like Juan Pablo Segura, the Chief Deputy Secretary of Trade and Commerce, Ashley Trafficant, Director of Outreach for Commonwealth of Virginia, and Henry Eichelberg, the Loudoun County Treasurer. One of the best parts of the night was the opportunity to connect with so many inspiring individuals. Everyone was here to celebrate, network, and support each other. It was a reminder of how powerful it is when we come together with a shared purpose. And let me tell you, the Pakistani community knows how to throw an event. The food, the conversation, the laughter, it was all absolutely perfect. So friends, now let's hear from some of the amazing guests who joined us at the event. I had a chance to sit down with Juan Pablo Segura, Ashley Trafficant, Henry Eichelberg, and the host of the event to get their thoughts on the evening and their messages for our community. So let's take a listen.
I'm here at an incredible Iftar event, an Iftar dinner at Clove Restaurant in Sterling, Virginia in Loudoun County. I was invited by my good friend Mansoor Qureshi. And what an incredible event. The food here is amazing. You have to try the keema, amazing. But also the time of Ramadan is an incredible time that brings family, friends together to reflect on what's important in life. And really, at the end of the day, God, family, and friends. That's what's important. So it's an honor to just be here to celebrate with the community. I stand with the community. The governor stands with the community. And we're here to help. So let us know what we can do. Thank you very much. Oh, Ramadan Mubarak and Pakistan Zindabad.
One, I just want to say thank you for letting me participate in the Iftar this evening. I know there's many going on across Virginia during the month of Ramadan, and it's so beautiful to just get to step into seeing so many wonderful people coming together. It always reminds me when we talk about the ability for people to worship freely in the United States actually started here in Virginia with Thomas Jefferson and his statute for religious freedom. And it was the first time religious freedom was discussed as being for everyone. And in his own personal writings, Thomas Jefferson actually says this is for the Muslim community. It wasn't just for different denominations of Christians, it's for everyone. And so I love getting to participate in seeing all the different Muslims across the Virginia living this out and being able to celebrate freely and realizing that's Virginia's heritage and legacy, and to be a part of those who are continuing that onward. The governor has 300 boards and commissions that people can apply for, and these are volunteer roles, but they're really critical. Some of them are looking at policy, some of them are advising, and they range from everything from the Asian American Advisory Board to the Potato Board. We look at, there's some professional health professions regulations. They're all on commonwealth.virginia.gov. Please take a look, please apply. We would love to have more people from this community participating, and it's a wonderful way to give back. Governor Youngkin is very disappointed that he wasn't able to be here this evening, but I know he wishes everyone Ramadan Mubarak and is just thrilled at the vibrancy of the community. And we know there's a lot of entrepreneurs, and when we talk about making Virginia the best place to live, work, and raise a family, we know that the Muslim community in Virginia is a huge and critical part of that. So I just, on behalf of Governor Youngkin, want to say thank you.
My name's Henry Eichelberg, and I'm the Treasurer for Loudoun County. My message today is Ramadan Mubarak. It's thrilled to be here, enjoying time with friends and family. It's a great occasion. You need to come to Clover and Sterling. They have great food and great people. In Loudoun County, we've got a great Muslim community from Pakistan, and it's been a great opportunity for me to get to know them and learn more about their culture and what's important to them. A lot of the same values we share, and it's been a terrific experience.
This was an amazing opportunity to experience Iftar and the community of people. It was just a precious event. I had a wonderful time. The food was fabulous. And it's just wonderful to see a community that comes together like this and celebrates in such a unifying and lovely way.
Okay, so I just want to thank everyone who came here and celebrated this spacious day with us, the Ramadan celebration. And I'm really glad, I'm honored everyone joined us. It was really a great honor. And Ramadan Mubarak to all my Muslim friends, everyone there. Ramadan Mubarak. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is with great joy and deep gratitude that I welcome you all to this special iftar dinner. Today, we gather not just to break our fast, but to celebrate the spirit of Ramadan. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guests, friends and family members, and leaders of this community. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless our fasting, our prayers, and our efforts to make this world a better place. Ramadan Mubarak to all.
And of course, it would not be an iftar without the food. And let me tell you, Clove Restaurant outdid themselves. The meal was delicious, but beyond the food, it was the connection that made the night so special. So friends, last week's event was more than just an iftar. It was a reminder of what's possible when we come together with a shared purpose. A huge thank you to everyone who made this possible, the organizers, the attendees, and all supporters who believe in this mission. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, this is Monica America signing off. Thank you, God bless you, and may God bless United States of America.